enough to keep putting myself through the frustration of these crafts. No! Word on the street is, it's time for a craft. Who likes The Sims? Who? You? I don't know. Me? I do. Image. Put an image here, Sarah. This is what I found. This is what I like. This is what we're doing. This is obviously, if you play The Sims, you would know on their loading screen, there is a screen pops up and it says Leeb, Lop, Lop. Leeb, Laugh, Lerp. I don't know. I'm not looking at it right now, so I can't off the top of my head. But I know we're making it. I'm putting it in the house. I think it'll be funny. I like Sims, so it's cool with me. This project will be done on this block of wood here. And what is the first step we need to take with this block of wood? Well, I'll tell you. We need to stain it. I got some wood finisher here. This, yep, you see it. I got this little bag so I don't ruin my cheap little tablecloth. Yeah, I guess let's just go ahead and stain the wood. Am I doing this right? He's noisy. Are you rolling around? Goodness, can you guys hear all that? Is this what I'm supposed to be doing? I feel like I should have a sponge and I should tap this thing with a sponge. This is me when you like my videos. And this is me when you don't like my videos. I'm crying. Tears of wood stain. Oh, good thing I put this thing down. Oh, not what I wanted. Hi, babes. The baby's down here. First thing I'm gonna do is take my little ruler and I'm gonna make some even lines so that I can kind of see where I want my things to be and just about how big I want everything to be. So let's go ahead and start sketching. I'm gonna start sketching the diamond here. I think it's too far over. Darn! I've already messed it up. Handy dandy eraser. Handy dandy eraser. Garbage! I'm just smearing. I've smeared this wood stain on the eraser. Why do I do this? Why do I put myself through it? Why do I enjoy doing this? Good enough to keep putting myself through the frustration of these crafts! No! So, guess what? Why don't I just match it? It's Sims themed. Why don't I just match it to the background of the Sims loading screen? Let's just go ahead and make it blue because I can't erase this. It's pissing me off. I want to move the letters over and I can't erase it. And even if I did erase it, how am I going to cover up these lines? How am I going to cover these up now that I'm thinking about it? Now that everything is painted blue, I'm going to go ahead and add this metallic shimmer paint. I think that'll help it stand out quite a bit and look really nice when it's sitting on a shelf. From there, I sketched out the diamond on all the lettering, put a white base down, just kind of filled in the letters so I can see where they're going to be at. Then I went ahead and sketched out the diamond, filled it in with some green. Of course, I used shimmer paint. When am I not using shimmery paint? I love it. So we blended that together, got the letters all down where I want them. And yeah, we're going to do some detailing and touching up. And I'll see you over there. We did it. We did it. We're done. It's here. Here it is. Here it is. I like this. This is cute. Now, final thoughts and opinions. I'm not happy with the lettering. I'm not good at lettering anyways. Who cares? Whatever. It's not like I'm selling it in stores, so. But it's here. It's done. I think it's a cute project. If you have a game room like we have, I'm going to set this right on the shelf where we play our video games. And this will be cute. It'll tie the room together. It's game themed, and I really like it. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today and doing another fun project. I hope you feel inspired to make something similar today. Go ahead, get on Pinterest, find you something to do. Go ahead, watch my videos. Find you something to do. Whatever you do, just make sure you're being positive and creative in the world around you. Make sure to like today's video to help support the channel. Comment down below what do you think of today's project, and is there a project you'd like to see done? Squirrel! Let me know down below. Subscribe as well if you'd like to, because I'm always up to something. And I will see you in the next one. You stay cool. You take care. Toodles!